How to fix if your iPhone keeps restarting randomly automatically. And if you are also facing such type of issue, here are the fix. And the first workaround is force restart your iPhone. And to force restart your iPhone, you can see volume up and volume down button and home button. If you have older phone, then first tap on up button, volume down button, and thereafter press and hold home button until the Apple logo appear. And if you have latest iPhone iOS 17 or above, then conjointly press volume up button and home button until the Apple logo will appear. Wait for some times, it will take time and Apple logo automatically appear. And for after force restart your iPhone, check whether your iPhone works properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings again, and here tap on general. Here go to software update. It may be a possibility that outdated iOS may be a cause of randomly restart your iPhone. So if any update available, simply download it, update now, and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, tap on settings and tap on general. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset again, and finally choose reset all settings and unlock your iPhone with passcode or face ID and tap on reset all settings and check whether your iPhone is issues is resolved or not, and definitely it will resolve. If not, again next one is go to App Store of your iPhone and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and update all. If any update available for your installed apps on your iPhone, simply update all, and definitely